Welcome to Mahesh View. The next match we are going to see is England Oman versus Indian Oman, and this is the third match which is going to be held at New Road, Worcester. This is new ground compared to the previous ground. We just going to see the preview of the last match which is happened day before yesterday. Which is like India have played two matches in the series and two matches are won by England itself. And the previous match, the man of the match was Kate Cross. We have taken that player in the last match. You can check the previous team where he got 157 match fantasy points and the Mithali Raj topped with 74 match fantasy points. Now we are going for the pitch report. The new road is like a balanced pitch where when compared to the previous two grounds it's much lower scoring ground when compared to the previous ground. The average score is 239 runs. In this match, like where 80% of the team wins who's batting first. So the team who's going to win the toss will look to bat first here, and the pacers have been most successful here. 76% of the wicket is taken by bowling pacers. In now we are going to see head-to-head contest like 71 matches both teams have played, and England have 139 matches and Indian women have 130 matches, and it's happening in England, so England have the higher advantage and key factor to win this match compared to India. Now we are going for the batters and wicketkeeper section. Mithali Raj has been impressive in two matches. She has scored 57.9 match fantasy points in the last 10 games, and she is in excellent form when she is playing in the last two games. Next is Shafali Verma, who is an attacking batsman who has a fantasy points of 38.5 the last two games. She is the key factor. If she goes well, she will score 100. She is very aggressive, and compared to Smriti Mandhana, she is aggressive than Mandhana. The third batsman is Mrs. Consistent Tammy Bowman. She has an match fantasy points of 73.7 the last 10 games. So she is dominated as the best player in the England and the international for consistent performance. So Tammy Bowman is a must pick. Now we are going for bowling section. It's Jolene Goswami who has a 56.9 fantasy points last 10 games. She is a must in your team because the only pace bowler who has experience and good amount of skill in his bag is Jolene Goswami alone. None other than Indian pacers have that much economy, pace and skill level. So Jolene Goswami should be there, and Anish Ramsol has an average of 57.6 fantasy points. So Anish Ramsol is like off in the last match, but she bowled well in the first match. So it's better you can pick her. The third is Sophie Ecclestone. Like she averaged 46.5 match points. I already said in the last match itself, her average taking wickets is about 2. Minimum she backs 2 wickets. She's an excellent option for captain and vice captain. So she is a must in your team. Now we are going for the all-rounder section. Nats Kev, everyone knows that she has an average of 73.2. The another thing with Nats Kev is she is from the last match she is bowling in the death over. So the chances of taking wicket is more. So there is a chance that she might take 2 to 3 wickets if she is bowling in death. So she is a must pick in your team. Now next is Catherine Brunt. She is bowling in opening spell and at the middle of the final stage. So her bowling is too good. So she scores an average of 43.1 match fantasy point. So she is like, if the combination fits, she must be in your team. If the combination does not fit, then you must think of it. Then we are going for Deepti Sharma, who has an average fantasy points of 52.7 the last 10 games. But the last match she failed, but she is a consistent performer. I hope you have her in your team. Now we are going for the last match thing. The Kate Cross, I already said she has 157 match points, and Dunkley with 106 points. Dunkley, she is like last match she performed, but I am not sure this match she will get the batting or not because England top batting is very powerful. If Tammy Bowman fails, then only she will get the chance. I don't think so. Dunkley will get the chance today. Sophie Ecclestone, as usual, got 99 points. With Indian women like Mithali Raj getting 74 points, Goswami getting 69, and Poonam Yadav getting 65. So, captain and vice captain option, Nat Skiver, good. Julian Goswami, I think don't consider like for the captain and vice captain option. Sophie Ecclestone, very good. And Mithali Raj, I'm not very sure with captain and vice captain, and Anish Ramsol also. So, my chance will be Ecclestone and Nat Skiver. Now we are going for the probable 11. India does not change anything in their lineup. They will stick with the same team. And when it comes to England, they are also going to stick with the same team. So it's like England going to win. It's better you go with a 7 for England and 4 for India. Now we are going for the teams. This is the base team, guys. I can change my team after the toss, but if you see Amy Jones, yeah, keeper, and she takes many catches. Lauren Winfield is a wild pick, so if it depends on the toss, and Mithali Raj, Shafali Verma, Mandana, and Lauren Winfield is like I am taking a little risk, so you can drop these two players and take Brunt and Deepti Sharma, or Knight and Deepti Sharma. And bowlers Ecclestone, Shrubsole, Goswami, and Kate Cross. Now we are going for the Grand League tip. For Grand League, drop Mithali Raj. No Mithali Raj for the Grand League. And you go with Jemima Rodriguez, Lauren Winfield. Two key players for the Grand League pick. I'm saying, guys, these two pick is an efficient one for the Grand League. For Grand League, drop Mithali Raj. And Grand League, take Ethan Knight. And in bowler section, for this is for the Grand League, guys. For Grand League, take Annie Stupsole. Annie Stupsole is must in Grand League. And Harmanpreet Kaur. It's Harmanpreet Kaur, Knight, Stupsole, Rodriguez, and Winfield. These five are the Grand League picks, guys. Please keep these guys in your Grand League, but don't choose these people in small league. I'm saying only for the Grand League. For Grand League, drop Nat Skiver. This is my prediction towards the Indian women game match, guys. And thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me in Telegram for the latest team. Thank you, guys. Thank you.